Exercise 3.1 problem 4 solution. Solve the equations by elimination method. Okay. 11x minus 7y equal to xy, 9x minus 4y equal to 6xy. See, it's a very different equation, isn't it? You are having xy term. So if you have xy term, then you just put x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, it will be true. So if you put x equal to 0, this is 0, x and y is 0. So this is 11 0 and this is also 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. So the equation is true for x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. The same goes for this. So we consider only the case when x is not equal to 0 and y is not equal to 0. So whenever you get these kind of xy, you will have to write this condition then. Okay. So I hope I am making it clear. When you put x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, both the equations are true. So x equal to 0 and y equal to 0 is a solution. So there is another solution where x is not equal to 0 and y is not equal to 0. That is what we are trying to find. Okay, and he has already told it is elimination method. Means you will have to get the coefficient of x or y to be the same. But before that, we will have to eliminate this xy. We can't have xy. So what you do, divide both sides by xy. So what will happen? 11x by xy. Okay, divide both sides by xy. What will get? 11x by xy, that will get you 11 by y. Minus 7 by xy, that y and y will get cancelled. So you will get minus 7x will be equal to xy by xy, that is equal to 1. Similarly here you will get 9x by xy, x and x will get cancelled. So you will get 9 by y. And here minus 4y by xy, that is y and y will get cancelled. So you will get minus 4 by x will be equal to 6xy divided by xy, that xy and xy will get cancelled. So you will get 6. Right? Which means now you have these two different equations. This is okay for us, but again this also is not straight away solvable. We need to do little work on this. Now what we do is that we'll replace 1 by x as a and 1 by y as b. So substituting 1 by x equal to a and 1 by y equal to b, what will happen? This will become 11b, right? I'm sorry, here I've written as 11y, it is 11b. Okay, this will become 11b and this will be minus 7a. So minus 7a plus 11b equal to 1. Same for this will become 9b. 1 by y we are taking it as b, right? This is 9 into 1 by y. So it is 9b and this is 4 into 1 by x. It will become 4a minus 4a. So minus 4a plus 9b equal to 6. So these are the two linear equations. Now you can apply our normal method to solve the problem. How will we solve? We have already told us that it has to be by elimination method. You can do by substitution method, elimination or cross multiplication, but since they are saying it is elimination, we'll have to eliminate a or b. It is easier to eliminate a. You multiply this equation by 7, that is 4, okay, and this by 7. The coefficient of this has to go multiply this equation and the coefficient of a has to multiply this equation. So you multiply equation 6 with 7 and equation 5 with 4. So what will happen? This, when you multiply both sides by 4, you will get minus 28a plus 44b equal to 4. So that's what I've written here, minus 28a plus 44b equal to 4. Now go back there. And this equation has to be multiplied by the coefficient of a here, this equation 5, right? Okay, I'll underline this. So this has to be multiplied by 7. So this is 7 into 4 is minus 28a, 7 9s are 63b, and this is 7 6 are 42. So here we go, minus 28a plus 63b equal to 42. Now you see the equation of coefficient of a is minus 28 in both the cases. They are equal in magnitude and same in sign. So we will have to subtract. So subtracting 7, this is equation 7 and this is it. So 7 from 8. 7 minus 8. Subtracting 7 minus 8. Subtracting 7 from 8. No, it is subtract 7 minus 8. Okay, I'll just change this. So what will happen? This a and a will cancel So 44b minus 63b is minus 19b. When I've just told it as subtracting 7 from 8, so which means it is 8 minus 7, but what I have done here is 7 minus 8, so this is actually 8, subtracting 8 and this is 7. Okay, or basically 7 minus 8. Okay, that's all it is. So correct this. So 7 minus 8, so this will get you 44b minus 63b, that is minus 19b, and 4 minus 42, that will get you minus 38. So minus signs will get cancelled as it is in both sides. So 19b equal to 38, or b will be equal to 38 by 19, that is equal to 2. Now substitute b equal to 2 in which equation? We'll go for this equation because this has got the smaller coefficient of b, right? So minus 28a plus 44b is 44 into 2 equal to 4. So this is 88 and this is 4. So minus 28a will be equal to 4 minus 88. That's what I've done here. 4 minus 88 is minus 84. Again, minus sign will cancel. Both sides are having the minus sign, so this minus sign will cancel. 28a equal to 84, or a will be equal to anyway it's the same, minus 84 by minus 28. So 28 will go 3 times in 84, so a equal to 3. Okay, so now let's go back. What is a? A is 1 by x is a. Similarly 1 by y is b, or 1 by a will become x, right? So you can change position. Similarly 1 by b equal to y. So use that here. So x is equal to 1 by a, and we know just now we calculated a as 3, so x is equal to 1 by 3. Similarly y is equal to 1 by b, and we just now calculated b equal to 2, right? So it is 1 by 2. So x equal to 1 by 3 and y equal to 1 by 2 is the other solution. First solution, x is equal to 0, y equal to 0, and there is another solution where x is not equal to 0 and y is not equal to 0, and that is 1 by 3 and half. Okay, so basically let's recap it. So first thing is that we'll have to eliminate this xy, divide both sides by xy, then you get an equation. Replace 1 by x as a and replace 1 by y as b, so you will get a linear equation in a and b. Solve this by elimination method. After calculating a and b, go back to the original formula and get x as 1 by a and y as 1 by b. That's all it is. Okay, so I hope I made it clear. Please work this problem out on your own and then it will become clear. Thanks for watching this video.